My Chantilly Cream is a whipped cream frosting that is stabilized with mascarpone cheese and slightly sweetened. It's utterly delicious on everything. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and today on the Scran line, I'm going to show you how to make this Chantilly Cream. It's basically whipped cream, but unlike regular whipped cream, this won't melt, which means that you can make it the day before or 2 days before you're ready to make it. You can even store it in a piping bag in the fridge so it's ready for the next day for your desserts. This recipe is really simple and only requires a couple ingredients. Begin by adding your heavy cream, which is cold. Now, heavy cream is also known as whipping cream around the world. We're going to be using mascarpone. Make sure that's cold. Now, mascarpone can be found in the cheese section, the fridge section of your supermarket. It's what's going to help this stabilize, meaning it's not going to melt. Some powdered sugar, which is optional. I don't tend to use the powdered sugar because I just think that whipped cream is going on a dessert that's already sweet. Some vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract. You can use a real vanilla bean in this as well. Now, I'm using an electric hand mixer. You can use a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Whip it up to stiff peaks, so taking care not to over whip. Can I tell you a little secret about this recipe? Adding the mascarpone in there actually prevents this from easily over whipping into butter, which is another thing I love about this recipe. This is ready to use now, or like I said, you can use it in a day or 2 days. I wouldn't use it more than that. Pop it in a piping bag so that it's ready if you're going to be piping it on your desserts, and you're good to go. This recipe can be found on my website, thescranline.com. A link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line. Bye. I'm just chiming in at the end because I wanted to let you know I have a savory channel where I have loads of great savory recipes that I share with you guys. I like baking, but I can't eat desserts every day all the time. So I do a lot of cooking, and I thought it'd be great to share my latest recipe with you guys, which is what you're seeing on screen right now. This recipe and the recipe you just watched are on thescranline.com, but the savory recipes are on a separate channel. I've left a link down below for you guys to check out the latest savory recipe.